Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we're gonna look on how to purchase Apple gift card. So there are a couple of methods to purchase Apple gift card. So the first step would be open up your web browser and search amazon.com. In the search box you need to search Apple gift card. We'll put a link in the description box for this, and make sure any Apple gift card that you're purchasing from Amazon, just make sure that the seller is Apple and not any third-party company. Now, to buy one, you can simply choose your design from these. I like that, so I'll choose it. You can put in the amount that you want in the gift card. You can choose from these amounts, or you can also give your customized amount. Just make sure that $15 is the minimum amount you need to put. You can deliver this gift card by either email or through text message. If you write in the email of the recipient to whom you are sending this gift card to, they will receive this gift card through their mail. But if you choose the option text message, then you'll have to give in their phone number and they'll receive this gift card through the SMS. Put in the name that it's from whom, and you can also write a custom message. And then you can even choose the quantity of gift cards you want to gift. You can also set your delivery date, and you can proceed to the payment like every other order you purchase from Amazon. Now this is one of the methods that you can use to purchase Apple gift card. The second method would be purchasing Apple gift card through Apple's official website. I'll also put Apple's official website link in the description box. But once you open the website, on the search bar here, besides support, you need to search gift card. Click on it, and once you click on it, you'll be redirected to this page. You need to click on buy. Once you click on buy, you'll be directed to this page, and here you can see it is the similar process to what we did in Amazon. You need to first choose your delivery method, and then you can choose your amount and then your payment method. If you purchase the gift card from Apple's official website, you can get the option to mail the person that you want to give this gift card directly through their mail, which means if you want to give the person a physical copy of this gift card, then you can just put in their address and the gift card will get delivered to that person. So the person that you're gifting this will get the code physically. Other features are just the same that we did in Amazon. The process is completely same. I just chose the Amazon method first because Amazon is more accessible to people. But if it gets sold out from Amazon in your country, then you can just go to Apple's official website and purchase it from there. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.